Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can combine videos on TikTok, or in another word, merge video in TikTok. So it's pretty simple, so follow these steps and watch this video until the end, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. And yeah, if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment, and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel to get notified for our future video. And let's start the video without any further ado. So if you guys want to combine videos in TikTok, first click on this plus icon because we have to upload a video. Once you click on the plus icon, you can click on upload over here at the side. Click on upload. Once you click on upload, you can choose multiple video you want. Let's say I want to upload this video, this video, this video. So basically I'm merging 3 videos right now, and I can click on next. You can even merge more than 3 videos. It's like depends on you. And after you click on next, you're gonna be taken to this page. Now over here you can add a sound, song, whatever thing you want. But if you want to, cut or trim your video, you can go on default. So remember, you can only post 60 seconds video in TikTok. So if your video is more than 60 seconds, because if you're combining a lot of video and it goes more than 60 seconds, now remember, TikTok is gonna play the video on like this order. The first video you choose is gonna be played first. The second video you choose is gonna be played second. The third video you choose is gonna be played third, like this. So if it is more than 60 seconds, then like TikTok is not gonna play out those video which exceeds like 60 seconds. For that you need to crop the video like this or trim the video like this. Basically you need to drag this little bracket looking thingy on the right, left, like that. And if you want to put the third video to the first, you can just hold on the video and drag it in front of it. That's basically how you guys can do it. Now the last video is at the first and the first video is at the second. So let's say I want the second video to be at the last. I can just hold on it and drag it over here. Now it's going to be played on this order: 16.5, 16.6, 16.2. Now remember, if your video is more than 60 seconds, the last part is going to get cut. Just remember that. And you can adjust it by like dragging the bracket side like this. And after choosing the video and cutting it, trimming it, click on next, and TikTok is going to process it for a certain time. And over here you can add sound, effect, anything you want. After adding whatever thing you want, you can click on next. And after you come over here, you can add description and hashtag. After adding that, you can click on post and your video will be posted. So that's basically how you guys can combine videos on TikTok. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day. And my video is being uploaded over there.